everybody. Hello. Welcome to Animation Capstone. That's correct. We made it to week 8, almost in the last quarter of this course, so we're really almost there. Probably about the last third now, as you think about it. 4 weeks left. That's pretty much what we got. 8, 9, 10, 11. We're right there. So a lot of great things this week. Last week we talked about the last 15 seconds. I'll take a look at your time as soon as we can. But this week we're going to talk about how to fill in the rest of that middle, because we know we have the 30 seconds and we have the last 15, the title cards and the end cards. Now we just got to figure out how to place and build the middle, and that's really the important aspect. So let's begin by taking a look at that and seeing what we got. So just to let everybody know, lectures are back on Tuesday this week. So normal times as always, 6 Central, 7 Eastern. Links have been posted. Everything should be good. If you have any questions, let me know. But what we have this week. So yeah, we're going to go into the middle. We're going to talk about the parts and what is important about the middle and the different areas of what really matters. So yeah, we have this stuff and we have this stuff, but you don't have this stuff right here in the middle. So that's what we're really going to look forward to. And really we have to ask ourselves is how to keep a viewer's attention. That's the big thing, because obviously we have our best stuff in the first 30 seconds and the last 15 seconds. So it really is important in the fact that we need to keep an eye that how we can really keep the user's attention over that next minute or so of the middle. That's really going to show things. And we're also going to show how to do a breakdown and what a breakdown window clip is and how you can really extend that to really take up a lot of that time and make it really interesting. Now, we're also going to take a look at what are the core parts of the middle, and we'll review this in lecture tomorrow. So it's really the core of your work. It's going to be a bunch of multiple examples of showing off, different techniques, what complements what job you're trying to get. We're also going to take a look at solid transitions and music editing throughout the middle and showing different stages of productions in your work. And we can show that through a complete breakdown of your processes. And we'll show you how to break that apart and show how we can really add some detail to the middle and make it interesting in the fact of this is where you can show how you do things, how you go about them, how you build things out. And that's really where you've shown final products of the beginning and really just perfect projects and finished projects for the beginning part and the end part. Now in the middle, you can showcase with clips how you built those things, and that's what's really important. And that's what we're going to do with a breakdown. We'll talk about a breakdown later, but really the benefits of detailing the middle is it showcases your work in different stages. It also helps show off like the processes can match other companies and their processes. And this allows you to show off consistency. Also helps to showcase your work, volume of work as well. And also allows you not to be just a one-trick pony. And we also really view it as a part where we keep the viewer's attention. And that's really the important thing. So, all right, sweet. Other than that, that's all I got. Pretty much just a head start. We'll talk about the middle as soon as we can. But that's pretty much it. So be safe, have fun, enjoy, my friends. I hope everyone has a great week. I'll see everybody for lecture on Tuesday. All right, have fun, my friends.